Welcome to How to Film Weddings. My name is Nick Miller, and today I want to talk to you about Vidflow, the best platform for delivering your wedding films. So here in a second, we are going to jump into Vidflow, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up an account and start uploading your films and wowing your couples today. For the last 3 or 4 years, my wife and I have been using Vidflow to deliver all of our wedding collections. We believe that Vidflow is the best pay-per-use platform on the internet when it comes to delivering your final films. And today, I want to jump into Vidflow, show you how it works, and how you can start using it today and really wow your clients. So what you need to do is head over to vidflow.co, and you need to create an account if you do not yet have one. I already have one, and then you just need to log in right here after you create that account. And it is going to take you to a screen like this. As you can see, I have several galleries that I have already uploaded and shared with my clients, but I want to take you from the process start to finish in uploading a gallery and show you exactly how easy that is. So I just come over here. The first thing that you do is hit New Gallery. All right, and the one that I have been using is just this Gatsby one. It's been around for a while, so that's the one that I select because I do have multiple videos. You have the option of doing multiple videos or one single video, but this collection has their wedding film, ceremony, getting ready, toasts, all of that stuff. So the Gatsby one is the one that I like, but there are other options down here that you can also use, and then hit Create Gallery. After you create the gallery, you're obviously going to have to name it. This is for Quentin and Alex. Save. So now you get to the upload portion of the site, and what you need to do is upload your video. And I do upload via browser. Now I come here, and I am going to go and find wherever it is that I have them saved, digital, and so I have ceremony, getting ready, reception, and toasts. So there are all the films, and then I hit open. Now, you can upload up to 512 megabytes for free, and then after that, you have to pay for credits. And they come in 5 gigabyte chunks to do a credit. If your finished project is more than 500 megabytes, you are going to need to purchase some credits. If you head over here to their pricing page, you can see that 500 gigabytes is $7.50, and then the price adds about $7 per 5 gigabytes there. And then you can scroll down here and you can see if you kind of average out what your gigabytes per project is and how many projects you're going to do. This kind of gives you an estimated total on how to do that. So you are going to need to purchase credits and add those to your project here. So I have those, I'm adding that. Now I am starting to upload all of these videos, and you can see it down in the corner down here that they are uploading, how long it's going to take. And a nice thing here is you can also see about how many gigabytes you have used or how many you are going to use. And you can add if you decide to add more videos and that kind of thing. So I am going to pause this little edit and let all of these upload, and then I will come back and show you the rest of the features of Vidflow. Okay, so the videos have finished uploading to Vidflow, and the next thing that you need to do is come over here to the side where it says link videos. So you hit that, and then you will hit the select videos, and now you just go in and you select all of the videos that you would like to make part of your collection. So then you hit select, and then they will auto-populate into your collection. So now you have the ability to reorganize them. I like to put the highlight film first and kind of put them in the order of how the day happens. So I have the highlight film, the getting ready, the ceremony, the reception edit, and then the toasts. So that's how I like to order them. You can redo it however you want, whatever works for your business. The next thing that I like to do is click on the video here, and now I have the ability to rename it, and I do wedding film. You have to hit update. And then the other thing that I want to do is make my own thumbnail. And so I have screenshots of that, and this is the one that I'm going to use for the film. Actually, that's not the one I'm going to use. I'm going to use a different one, which I think is this one. Yes. This is the one that I am going to use for this. So you go in, and all you need to do is, save it. So now I have the title of the video, and then I have uploaded a thumbnail. If you want to go into advanced features, you can add chapters. People can skip ahead to different parts. I don't do this, but I know people that do this for ceremony, or if you have a really long like FOMO type edit where you're gonna have all of the raw footage, you can break it up into sections. You can also add captions and subtitles, which is really cool, but you're gonna have to do that offline and then import that file in if you would like to do that. So that's what I do. This has been updated, and then I hit the close button there. And now I'm gonna come in here, and there is my wedding film. So I'm going to pause the video really quick, do this to all of these all of these little sections, and then I will come back and show you what I do next. Okay, I have finished updating all of the videos and making the thumbnails look exactly how I want them to look. So the next thing that you're gonna do is click on heading, and how we do this, we have the couple's name, and then I put wedding collection, update that right there. So that's a simple thing. Next is background. I am just going to upload a still image, which is this one right here. You do have the ability and the option to unlock a video background for this. So it would look like this, except it would be moving, and it would be really cool like that. Next is music. This is also a premium feature. If you would like music playing in the background, whenever people open your gallery, you can do that there as well. The next is styles. And as you can see, the look and the feel of the fonts and the colors and all that stuff, that's Vidflow's font and colors. It's not necessarily what I want it to be for Wild Oak Films. And so you can save presets where you can design it and then save it. And this one I have been using since September of 2020. Just hit apply. And now, as you can see, the fonts change. It all looks exactly how I want the collection to look. Next here in the settings, this is just what buttons and features show up on your gallery. The download buttons, we leave this on. I want my clients to be able to download all of their wedding films whenever they get it for their own safekeeping. The share button, you can click that and email that to whoever they want to email it to. And then there's the play all button where they click that and then everything just plays. Last is the TV Connect button. Whenever they click this, you will then connect your gallery to your smart television, and so you can watch it on TV. It's a really nice feature. Next, there is branding. This you can make it be whatever you want. I have it currently set to logo and company name, so you can see our logo here, and then Wild Oak Films with the Learn More button. If you click the Learn More button, it is going to have our website and our socials where people can follow us along if they would like to learn more about that. You have the option here to turn it off, logo only, company name only, or both. Totally up to you. Another thing that you can do with a upgrade is make this a mobile app. And so you can actually make this so that people can put that on their home screen so they can go directly from their home screen up their phone and watch their wedding content through Vidflow. This is a premium upgrade. And then lastly, you have the layout where if you're like, hey, I want to try a different one. So this is, I have Gatsby, let's try Sierra. Change layout, and then it's going to update how it is going to look there. Last, we have delivery, and this is where you can really make some cool things happen if you would like to. You do have the option to just share this link, so you can copy the link and you can email it to them. The thing that I like to do is embed it into my website, and I will show you exactly how I do that here in a moment. Or you can send it to them via email, where it will email from Vidflow directly to your client. Another thing that you can choose from is who has access to this gallery. If it's only you, people with the link and the password, or if you want to upgrade, this is a premium feature, people that you choose. You can send it up with only specific people with specific email addresses can then open the gallery. That's a really nice feature. One thing I would like to let you know before I move on and show you how I am embedding Vidflow into my WordPress website is that if you upgrade to a business membership, it's $195 a year, and this unlocks all of the bells and whistles, all of the features that Vidflow offers. If you upgrade to this membership, we can save you 20% off of that with the promo code HTFW20. So upgrade to the business membership for $195 a year. We can save you 20% HTFW20. This is on top of the data that you would use, but it unlocks all of the features so that you can deliver the very best to your clients. Okay, so what I did is I just duplicated this page here, and I'm gonna click edit. And now here I am in this, I changed the name, and Alex Wedding Collection, remove feature image, set feature image, where, going to set my feature image. I'm just getting this all ready to go. So now I come over here to Vidflow and I click on the copy code, really easy. Go down here in this little plugin I have, paste, and now I hit preview. And there we are, Quentin and Alex's wedding collection has been embedded onto my site, and I will now send this link to them so that they are going to my website to view their wedding collection. And whenever they share their wedding collection to their friends and family, they will also be going to my website. So I really like this feature that you can embed your Vidflow collections into your website. So there you have it, a step-by-step process of how Vidflow works, how you can use it for your wedding business, and also how you can embed it into your website so that couples will continually be going to your website. Let us know what you think. Is Vidflow something that you are using in your wedding film business? Let us know in the comments below. Again, I want to let you know that we can save you 20% off of that business membership using promo code HTFW20. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. I hope it was helpful, and until next time, we will see ya.